धारबांदोड्या प्रतापनगर जाल्ल्या नेणट्या चलयेच्या खुनाच्या प्रकरणात फोंड्या पोलिसांनी एकल्याक अटक केला. धल्ला तो दुबावीत संजय केविन. चलयेची वळख पटल्या. ते बेंगळूरचे 22 वर्सां पिरायेचे रोशनी एम. ती खंय रिलेशनशिपान आशिल्ली. गोंयांत भोंवपाक आयिल्ली. येताना एका हॉटेलार चाय पिवपाक रावल्ली तेय खंय CCTVत कॅप्चर जाला. तांचे वाटेर खंय वाजलें. दोगांय मदीं वाद जाले. त्या वादांतल्यान खुना उपरांत संजय बेंगलोर वचपाक गेलो. तांच्यांनी खंय काडिल्ले कदंबाच्या रिटर्न तिकेटे वेल्यान दुबाविताचो सोद घेवपाक कदंब तिकेटे वेल्यान खंय ऑनलायन पेमेंट केल्लो. ताचे UPI ID वेल्यान दुबावितीचो नंबर काडलो. तो बेंगलोर वतना ट्रॅक केलो. क्लू मेळटकूच पुलिसांची एक टीम खंय बेंगलोर गेली. बसींतल्यान देंवतानाच ताका धरलो.
So yesterday we got a call regarding body of a girl around 20 to 30 years old. She was murdered and we found the body in Ponda area. So within 24 hours we were able to not only identify the victim where we didn't have any clue, but we also managed to catch the accused. Multiple teams were formed. Initially we found out from the number we got the trace of the accused, and the accused was there in Karnataka. We formed our teams and we sent our team, and the accused was apprehended. He has been arrested and the rest of the formalities will be done soon. So this the victim and the accused, they were actually in a relationship, and the motive is supposed to be some personal issues, the relationship issues, and the further investigation will be carried out.
Bureau Report, Prudent.